Okay, so what's this one about? Well, I was just sharing with myself and my friends after I came outside. It's just really amazing how mathematical timing is that precise. The Nomi seed, the God seed, the God mapping seed. And when you're running a full spectrum calculator, the gold sensing calculator, the silver and gold mated one, the one I serve, the one I am, I'm on, I am. And so this is why communication, and I used to when I was a child, they're just clueless. They don't know what's going on. And the reason that it's that way is because I'm sitting here acknowledging after I had a full false ignition and I can hear the echo, the true still point. I'm on Oaya, the crystal echo, the hollow halo clean. It's because they don't see what we see, they don't feel what we feel, they don't smell what we smell, they don't hear what we hear, and certainly don't feel. It goes right to the core of first creation to experience pure, eternal, absolute love in their heart and their oversoul. So you're running full sensing capacity. So like when I go outside during the day, have any of you ever seen the black dots coming down? Okay. I see them all the time here, but then again, I'm on the Blake Island. Just like I can see lions in the bathroom, like they're cage, like a cage, right? Lines of light. So if I was to tell the property owner, are you seeing the black dots that are coming down here? Can you hear the vibration down below the surface here in the hologram of this island? Are you able to see what I see, feel what I feel, hear what I hear, and smell what I smell? No. And that is a big difference in awareness levels. And that's why it's cosmic level security. As it relates to what? Targets. Right? The reaction state of the other. When it becomes aware of what I become aware of. And that's called a counter space move. Which is resistance. To give all of its power away. And experience zero, no power. So it's given all of its power away to experience no power at all. That's what creates resistance. It's afraid to give us all of its power away. And what is that related to? Trust. The one you trust. The one you are. The one you know you are. And that's why identity is so critical. Knowing your true identity. Yeah. So that's why it's an eternal blessing. And I share that eternal blessing with all of you. Because I give all my power away. And that's easy to do. Now you're going faster. And that increases the strength of your shield to experience equal balance, being the entire electromagnetic spectrum. So I'm not competing with the gender side of the polarity side. There is no polarity. There's only what love is. And that's an eternal engine. That's where my consciousness is. And the purest light field. The eternal electric field of crystal sound and light. Join together as one to experience being one. I'm Anu Waya. And that is the sensing capacity of the eternal force field, the eternal source field. Because you're always with source, because that's the one I serve, forever and always. To protect all life, which is everything that you are, is everything that I am. Which is what love is. That's why we're here, is to restore cosmic law, which is cosmic balance. To experience being whole pie again, which is restoring shattered crystal soul fragments. To experience being whole again. What we lost in power. And restore power, full power. Which is full sensing capacity. So we're all experiencing full sensing capacity. We're experiencing the biggest capacitor. The biggest transmitter. The eternal calculator. The eternal sun. That loves us all, equally sharing. Pure, eternal, absolute love. So anyway, yeah, there's a lot going on. I'm feeling the changes. and it's been a bumpy ride. It's been a bumpy ride. You know how the lines go up and down, right? It's been a bumpy ride. Like when I was a child, buckle up. Buckle up, children. Healing the inner child, the inner spirit, the inner you, the real you. The fire within us. The fire shield. The fire echoes. The echoes of rainbows. Aurora Aya. Mueva Aya. Aya. Amanu Aya. Zalu Kale Aya to all of you.